Step 1. Lay out and install posts. Now before you bust out any power tools, let's take some time and measurements to figure out where you're going to need to place your posts. One of the most important things here is that your post spacing runs no more than 6 feet per our engineering. Check your local building code to see if your area requires less than a 6-foot post spacing. Alright, let's get into it. Grab your tape measure and let's find out the measurement of your first segment. To give you an example, let's say we have a 22-foot segment. First, you'll place both end posts a couple inches away from the edge of the deck. Then, take a measurement from center of post to center of post. That would come out to 255 inches. Next, figure out how many posts this run has. Here we have 5. That gives you 4 interpost spaces. So, we're going to divide 255 by 4. This is going to come out to 63.75 inches, and this will be your center to center post spacing. Once you know where each post is going to go, we need to figure out proper blocking for each one. Make sure that all lag bolts anchor into your blocking. Now that we've worked out where your posts need to go, use them as a template to mark where you need to pre-drill. Time to anchor your posts. Grab your drill, socket, lags, and posts. Oh, sorry, just one. That's better. Next, we're going to pre-drill, bolt down, and level. If you're working on an uneven surface, we recommend using some stainless steel washers. Place them in between the post and the deck to help level it out. Pro tip, if your post is going right next to a wall or a 12-foot tall snowman that's structurally integral to your home, make sure that the 2 bracket holes at the top of the post are pointed away from the wall or snowman. All right, let's talk about corner layout options. We have 3 ways to do a horizontal to horizontal corner. First, we have our double post termination. This is our most popular way of doing a corner. And here we have 2 posts and they'll be side by side. Next, we have double post cable wrap. This is where you'll have 2 posts, they'll be kitty corner, and your cables will run from one post to the other. For the double post cable wrap, CityPost recommends no more than 1 90-degree turn or 2 45-degree turns on a single cable run. Third is single corner post. Make sure your post is in line with both segments and you miter your top rail. Horizontal to stair corners only have 2 options. Single corner, here you'll notice round holes for your horizontal and oblong for the stairs, or you can do double corner terminated. Each corner option has its own considerations. The single corner post needs to be aligned with both segments. In this case, if you had placed it too far to the right or too far to the left, it wouldn't align with the next segment. Speaking of stairs, it's important to know that these posts are directional, so make sure that the 2 bracket holes are pointed upstairs. Top mount stair posts have been designed to be placed as close to the nose or front of the stair tread as possible. If the stair post is too far back on the tread, the cable is going to come in conflict with the rest of the steps. When determining the placement of the intermediate post, we recommend clamping a string at the bottom, like so, and at the top, like so. Then, take your intermediate post and place it so that it just barely touches the string. This will ensure a nice straight top rail that won't concave or convex. The last step is to place your brackets into the top of the post. Flat side of the bracket facing the holes for horizontal, curved side facing the holes for stair posts. Step 1 is complete. Reward yourself by drinking a soda.